Let's talk a little bit about home addition in Seattle area and our process in unique home construction.
Feel the fire leave a mark in the chaos I remain. Through the night I breathe your...
We usually at unique home construction, we divide any addition project in two different phases. It doesn't matter, it's gonna be attached unit, detached unit, but we do it in the two different phases. The phase one gonna be design phase. That means it would be involve architectural engineering, structural engineering, and permit process. But how we do it? The first step is sitting and listening to your needs to figure out why and for what you need that home addition. You want to add equity to the home? What's the best way to do it to add more value to the home? So do you need bigger kitchen? Do you need extra bedroom? Do you need master suite, bigger bathroom, more closet, more storage, all those. Then with all the talented architect we work with at the unique home construction, we will figure out what is the best way to achieve that. We will starting with 2-3 different sketch of the ideas, then have another meeting with you guys, then discuss to see which one will work with your budget. So if you pay attention, there is a tight partnership with the GC, architect, and homeowner in this stage. So let's say one of those sketch, it would be approved by you. Or even you say that I like sketch A and sketch C, and then combine those together in some portions to creating new ideas. After that, when everything is confirmed and we make sure that would be work with your budget, then our architect would starting to drafting everything based on all the codes City of Seattle would ask. After that, we will pass everything to the structural engineer. The structural engineer would do all the work he has to do. We will put all the documents together and starting pull the permit and follow with the City of Seattle. I usually say the City of Seattle, like us, sometimes maybe not even hate us. Why? Because we consistently, we follow with them to have a permit in hand. So don't say that to everyone. So anyway, this is a design phase. So the design phase, again, it's including architect, a structural engineer, and GC. Work perfectly with the homeowners, which is you, to figure out what exactly you need, what is your budget, and what will work with your budget, and how we can creating what you need perfectly work with your budget. Then when we have the actual design, then we know what you want to do. We as a GC will creating more detailed proposal for you. Then everything will starting with foundation, excavation, foundation, framing, roofing, electric, plumbing, finishes, all stuff like that. And in every single stage, we will have walkthrough with you, with even a structural engineer and architect to make sure everything going good and smooth. We have a perfect portal and project management system, which you as a homeowner, you can log into that portal whenever you want, 24/7, and you will see like in which stage it's your project. It's an accurate timeline. There is a project manager always at the project to give you the last update. It doesn't matter if you are traveling, if you are going and then being in the other state. So you are still like you are exactly here, and we keep you updated about every single thing. Communication, remember, it's very important. Construction by itself, it's enough stressful. So you have to choose a GC, you have to choose a builder to creating a system would make entire this process as smooth as possible. And then to be honest, we at Unique Home Construction, we are very proud of our system. We're creating with the lots of experience we have to make that entire process as smooth as possible with all the tools, with all the experience, with all the software we use to make sure nothing would be missed, everything and everyone would be updated with the last changes or anything. So that's our process. So definitely we're gonna have lots of walkthrough in the project from start to the day we wanna do the deep cleaning, and then pass you the key and you're ready to go. So definitely I would recommend the GC you wanna work with, ask them for some of the previous customers, they do the same, scope the project like that, to talk with them to see, like, I know the other homeowners, how they feel with that contractor. So make sure they are licensed, bonded, and insured for sure. Ask them, like, who gonna be on the project side? Who is the project manager? How often they gonna be on the project? What's the level and expectation of the communication between you and them? How long you should wait if you have any question? How often you can have a walkthrough at the project site? What is the payment plan look like? Ask them to even share with you the draft of the contract. Review that. They are the contractor with the big portion upfront, or no, like Unicom Construction, our system is designed to our progress, always be ahead of your payment. So you're guaranteed. So you know you are working with a trusted builder. So communication again is important. The entire system they have is important. Who gonna work on the design, like when you can expect for every single stage, and all those would creating the perfect smooth process for you, and down the road your project gonna be done perfectly. So that's a process for doing addition with Unicom Construction in Seattle area. If you have more questions about this type of project, or you're concerned to do it, so feel free to reach out to us. Share your thought with us. We can help you to tell you if your budget is realistic or is not, or what you have to do, how you can add more equity to your home. And remember, home addition is one of the smart things to do, especially in Seattle, which is living cost is expensive, the home cost it's pretty high. So with adding a square footage, so you will add a lots of equity to your home. So my name is Reza. I'm the owner of Unicom Construction, and I would love to answer the question you may have regarding to your next remodeling project.